sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 17th of February. I'm James Spann. We have a very active weather day ahead. Very windy with a chance of strong to severe storms later today and tonight. So let's dive right into it. This is the upper air look. The big trough that's been out west is progressive, moving eastward. And that's going to set up the dynamic support for severe storms later today. That was the radar this morning about 5 o'clock. Had a few showers over the southwestern counties of the state. Some rain falling over western and middle Tennessee. Otherwise, things are pretty quiet. Most of the action comes after 2 o'clock this afternoon. It is a very mild morning. Many spots are in the low 60s to start the day. We're expecting highs well up in the 70s. This afternoon should be one of the warmest days so far this year. Dew points are beginning to come up, but they're still fairly low. A lot of folks are in the 40s, but we should see those dew points closer to 60 by mid-afternoon. There is a wind advisory in effect for most of the state today. We'll see strong pressure gradient winds, maybe gusting to 40, 45 miles an hour at times this afternoon. And north of here in the cold air sector of the storm, winter storm warnings in effect from northern Oklahoma into southeastern Michigan. Some flash flood watches in effect just south of that region. And again, a lot of wind advisories in the warm sector of the storm for south winds. There's your severe weather outlook for today and tonight. A large risk of severe storms across the southeast United States. This is the probabilistic outlook for tornadoes. And we note that hatched area at 10%. That's within the enhanced risk area. That's where the better chance of tornadoes will be. And there might be a strong tornado or two in that area today. That's EF2 or higher. And that, of course, includes the northwestern part of the state. Here's a closer look. We have the enhanced risk level 3 out of 5, west of a line from High Top to Hueytown to Demopolis, areas there in orange. We've got the standard slight risk level 2 out of 5, as far east as Anniston, Prattville, Grove Hill, and the rest of the state, east and south Alabama, in a marginal risk level 1 out of 5. And again, much more on the timing here in just a moment as we go through modeling. Tomorrow, no severe weather expected, maybe some thunder for the South Atlantic coast. And Saturday, not a single thunderstorm expected across the country. Numbers are coming up on the QPF map here. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. And you can see now we've got some amounts in excess of 5 inches over the Tennessee Valley. We're expecting rain amounts today and tonight between 1 and 1.5 inches, but next week is looking pretty wet. Again, as you'll see. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 3. Trough approaching. Surface low is located on the Ohio River on the Kentucky-Indiana border. Snow and ice north of the low. Strong to severe storms south of the low. Here's the high-res NAM this evening at 5 o'clock. Thunderstorms are over north and northwest Alabama. Instability values are a little higher in modeling, as we thought that might be the case. Still not overwhelming, but enough for strong to severe storms, especially on the western side of the state. Values there around 700, 800 joules per kilogram. And, of course, it's going to be a very highly sheared environment. We know that, so certainly we could see some rotating updrafts. This is the STP, the significant tornado parameter at 5 o'clock. Numbers are generally between 2 and 5 units over west central Alabama. And again, you can see that's around Tuscaloosa, Fayette, Jasper, Demopolis. We'll be watching that area very carefully later today. And remember, it's going to be very windy away from storms. Gradient winds will be just screaming today, maybe gusting to 40, 45 miles an hour. That in itself might create some scattered power outages and bring down some weakened trees. Here's our timing. In the enhanced risk, the window between 2 and 8 for severe storms. For Anniston, Gadsden, Talladega, Clanton, Birmingham, 4 to 11 p.m. And then southeast Alabama down in the marginal risk, 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. So kind of watch the weather carefully for us. And if you know anybody that falls into a tornado warning polygon, if we have them later today and tonight, be sure and call and text them. You can be a big part of the warning process. Tomorrow, everything's on by, noticeably cooler, highs around 50, the sky becoming partly to mostly sunny. Saturday, we start the day in the 20s, the high in the 50s, the sky will be sunny. And Sunday, a beautiful day, sunny with mid-60s. It'll feel pretty good. But enjoy that because the rain comes back on Monday. And again, next week looks pretty unsettled. The high Monday will be in the low 60s with occasional showers. Tuesday, again, the chance of showers during the day will be close to 70, very mild. Wednesday, still some chance of showers, maybe nothing too heavy. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 24th, troughing to the west. And again, a chance of rain for the northern half of the state. And again, a messy snow ice look there for parts of Kansas, Missouri, and northern Arkansas. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 26th. We have a southwest flow aloft. And again, the chance of showers over the northern half of the state. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean is now approaching 5 inches between now and the 3rd of March. Temperatures got a big cool down tomorrow, the high dropping to 49, but back in the 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And the latest CPC guidance, this is for the 24th of February through the 2nd of March. Temperatures here close to maybe a little below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon, weather permitting. If you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.